Let us draw this part. It is like a chain-like structure. So how we are going to draw this? The first thing that is given is just there are 6 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Their dimension is given. The inner circle radius of 51.05. The second circle radius of this circle, that means 101.85. The third one 152.65, and the fourth one 203.45, and the fifth one 254.25, and the last one 304.55. all are in millimeters. The distance between this center and the upper circle, this center, is just 398.27, and the distance between this one and this one, the center of this circle, is 281.62. So this will be applied to all of the circles. That means this distance between this one and this one, the same thing. Between the center and this one, the same thing, 398.927. 398.27. So what you are going to do, first you have to create the center line on the ortho mode to create perfect straight line like this. Then you have to create just like this center line, and the other center line would be just like this. You can create another center line like this. Then what you are going to do, just you have to offset the center line because this is the center of this circle. So you have to offset this center to this dimension, 398.27 millimeters, and we'll find the center of this circle. So let us go for offset command here, offset, and 398.27 offset distance. We have to give the distance here, 398.27. Then after that you have to offset this one just like this, 398.27 units. Then after that, this is the center of this one, this circle. So first we have to draw the inner circle with the radius of 51.05. So radius 51.05, and the second one enter, it will continue the command. The second radius, it is 101.85, and the third one enter again to continue the command, and the third one, it is 152.65, enter again, just it is 203.45, enter again, 254.25, enter again, and the last one is just 304.55. So we finished creating the circle. Then next, what you are going to do, you have to use just the array command to duplicate this circle into 8 circles. So you have to choose this one, all of the circles, and then you have to go to array command, polar array, and you have to choose this one as a center. Then we created 6 circles, but these are totally 8 circles. What you are going to do, you have to go there and change it into 8. So now we created this a bit complicated part. So after that, we have to trim each part to create such type of smooth profile. But as is shown here, it is difficult to create to trim each part. It will take more time. You have to choose this one. This is as now it is array. You have to explode it to make it just flexibly to make it a separate entity. So explode it. Now it is explode. You can choose each individual item. Then after that, it is complicated as is shown here. Then if we want to trim like this individually, it is possible, but like this it will take time. So if we want to trim individually to create this smooth profile, it is possible, but it will take more time. As an example, we can go here and just we can do just like this trimming to create some smooth profile to create the parts. final parts, but it will take more time. Then what you are going to do, just the first thing, what you are going to do, just create a 45-degree line just from the center, ortho off, to move the line flexibly, just like this, and just 100 units above this circle. That means out of this circle the dimension must be. So shift add, then you have to give the dimension like 1000 and less than symbol, then 45-degree. You see, we created 45-degree line. Then after that, what you are going to do, just to go to extreme command, write extreme here, extreme, enter, then give just this boundary, then choose this one. It will separate this one just like this. And the same thing here also, go to extreme again, extreme, enter, choose this boundary and click here, so it will separate this portion. Now what you are going to do, just you can remove unwanted parts from here. Just for now, let us choose this part and delete, remove it. And here also we don't want this part, we can remove it just like this. Here also we can choose and remove this one. Now we'll work here. Then after that, what you are going to do, you have to remove unwanted parts. This one, this one, this one, this one. You have to remove this one, and this one also, here also, and here you have to remove this till there. Here also the same thing. Here also. So you have to remove this region also. Yeah, so after this, what you are going to do, just you have to choose, have to select all, go to array command, polar array, use this as a center. Then we create this part, but these are just 6 parts, we have to make it 8. Now we created this part as is shown here. And next, what we are going to do, we have to choose this one, go here and explode. Now we can just trim this part just like this. And next, what you are going to do, you have to go here and go for extend command, and you can extend this part just like this until it touches this one. The same thing here also, same part. And also the same thing. Then after that, remove this thing. And also the same thing, extend, then here also one left. Yeah, just like this. Then go for trim and trim this excess part like this. Yeah, so we almost finished. What you are going to do, there is one thing here. You can touch this one, this part. So that's all. Just now you can give dimensions